Almost across the country, COVIDians have been violating social distancing norms, and this is leading to an increase in COVID cases. The apprehension is this could well invite a potential third wave. And it's not just the common man on the street, it's even our netas. Unfortunately, not many are taking precautions. Take a look at how COVIDians are violating norms.
There are heroes. There are villains. And then there are COVIDians. These visuals are not from pre-COVID era. These images show a royal welcome of newly elected president of BJP in Tamil Nadu. Not 10, 20 or 50, there are hundreds of party workers who can be seen violating COVID norms. Social distancing has gone for a toss. Even Annamalai, an erstwhile IPS officer before joining the BJP, is seen flouting COVID guidelines. Another BJP leader and Maharashtra MLA Pankaja Munde was seen speaking in public amid a crowd, but without a mask and no social distancing. If you think that vaccination centers can help you fight COVID, then think twice. These visuals are from a vaccination center in Gopalganj, Bihar. There was chaos all around as the crowd indulged in throwing chairs and jostling as the wait for vaccine got longer. Social distancing norms went for a toss amid the shocking free-for-all.
कल भी आए थे तो कल भी शाम को 4 बजे तक खड़े रहे. जब 4 बजे तो इन लोग बोले कि वैक्सीन खत्म हो गया है, इनका ड्यूटी खत्म, वैक्सीन खत्म. सुबह से इस समय तक 4 आदमी को दिया गया है.
यहाँ लगभग 500 से ज़्यादा भीड़ है. नीतीश कुमार बोलते हैं कि ये जाब लगाओ, ये जाब लगाओ. ये अम्बेडकर भवन है, इसमें कोई जाब लगा है? यहाँ कोई प्रशासन है, वो भी जाब नहीं लगाया.
In Rajasthan's Dausa, devotees put faith above COVID safety by thronging the revered Balaji temple. Again without masks or maintaining the mandatory 6 feet distance from others for COVID safety. The shocking violations mock Prime Minister Narendra Modi's appeal to ensure COVID safety at all costs to avoid third wave.
एक्सपर्ट भी बार बार ये चेतावनी दे रहे हैं कि असावधानी, लापरवाही, भीड़भाड़ ऐसे कारणों से कोरोना संक्रमण में भारी उछाल आ सकता है. आज सवाल ये होना चाहिए हमारे मन में कि तीसरी लहर को आने से कैसे रोकना है.
So have we forgotten the death and despair of second wave and willfully ignoring warnings of health experts about a third wave, possibly bigger in magnitude? Bureau Report, India Today.